let's move forward towards how we are going to build an agent workflow, how we are going to build a multi-agent scenario, and what are some components of building such agents. So in order to build a multi-agent workflow, we just need to remember three things. First is the nodes. Nodes are basically your legal agent, your sales agent. So nodes are just the Python logic that actually drives your agent. So this is just the logic unit that actually drives your way towards it. Then you have edges. Edges are there just to connect the nodes together. Let's say let's say you have these edges where you actually connect all of these nodes together. And then sometimes you can also have conditional edges, which are your decision makers, that you have to actually enable the decision making within the graph. And then these three principles are more than enough for actually building and hands-on building a multi-agent workflow.